Hello, this is my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and turn on notifications. So, see you in the video. Bye. Welcome to the video today. We are destroying this old, well, not destroying, we're looking inside this headset, and we have a little screwdriver, bigger screwdriver, way bigger wrench tool. Back over here now, and yeah, that's what we have today. I'm interested in what is. I'm assuming this comes off. Some fine foam right there. I'll keep that. Whoa, look at that. Ooh. There we go. Oh, what the? Oh, look what just happened. You too. I just pried that off. Oh, God. Well, I see the wires are like scratched up on the inside. The like casing and stuff is like ripped. I think some of the wire is ripped. So that gets that. Ooh, that's a magnet. Dad, watch this. Dad,
Yeah, speakers are always on magnet.
looks like there's super glue right there. That looks like whatever that is. There's something yellow there, like around, like right here at the wires, if you can see it. That yellow stuff right there. That could be it, and these wires are like scratched up. It could just be it when I opened it, but you know, when I first opened it, it wasn't like that. Let's get that out of the way. Oh, I got it off. Yeah, I am just gonna flip it right here, and I'm picking it up with these. There you go. That's what it looks like. I have a second camera here. There you go. I'll keep that. That's actually interesting looking. Oh, those are wires. I've got to be careful. Oh, whoa. I'm not assuming anything's right here, but it's just tearing off that padding. That's sticky. That's some sticky padding. This is like one of those fluff things you see on those things. Like you can just, watch this. It's sticky. Keep that, that's interesting. I'm keeping this whole headset basically. The wire. I'm gonna dig into that. There's nothing over here really. Could. What would that? My new headset, boys. Okay, I don't want that anymore. Ooh, the mic. I could explore the mic. How do I crack open the mic? Is there like a point in there I can just screwdriver? Can you do anything? It's like solid in there. I'm definitely scratching up the mic. I don't really care. That thing's not working anymore. Pretty. You can see the. So it looks like now, flips around. I actually really like this part, but where did that just go? It went all the way back here. Look, this is the switch thing for my mic if it's on or off. See the switch thing? See, interesting.
Yeah.
I can show you the destroyed product. Well, that looks like switches onto something. That looks like it's on ready, so that is a problem with my mic. Can I get in there? Oh. Oh yeah, I could crack that open right there. In the angle. Let's see. Yeah, whatever. Well, that's what that looked like when I tore that off. It just says in there. Look at that, Dad. Look at that. That's another piece I'm definitely keeping. I'm keeping all these pieces. Yo, it's literally an actual switch right here. That's a literal switch. The wires looked a little busted. It's an actual switch. Yo, look at that. There's literally a switch right here. And it's connected to that to be nicer looking. Can I take out the rotator for my headset? Wait, can I rotate it like all the way to where it breaks off? No, I'm just gonna pry it off. I'm tired. I'm joking. Oh god. Well, never mind for that. This whole clip thing just came off. Another piece to the collection. Yeah, those wires are ruined. I can see how ruined they are. It's SD. Yep, I definitely see the problem here. Whole bunch of those things are weird colors. Purple on that one. That one has a whole bunch of... Yeah, those are disgusting. Most of them have purple on it. But I really want to get this piece off, but I can't really touch that thing right there because it's dangerous. So... I'm gonna just pry. Get that off if I wanted. I do want to get that thing off. Yeah. I'm gonna keep that switch right there. It's a nice switch. Not really. This wrench. I wish it wasn't solid metal. Well, that was plastic and hold it. Not actually not. Oh god. Which was that? I snapped something in the headset. Oh god. I'm adding more scrapes to the chopping board. I want to get that out. That's like in there. Like I'm gonna have to pry it. Oh, I got an idea. God, that's in there. I couldn't pry that off. Like, that's got some solid metal connectors. They make these things indestructible, but they're so destructible. It's like, how? Should I cut off the stupid wires? Nah. I'm just breaking stuff to get this stupid piece right here off. Right in there. Big screwdriver time. Try jamming it off with the big screwdriver. I need to get this thing back in these flat. Oh god. Okay, that's locked. That broke the switch, but I don't care about the switch as much as getting this piece right here off. That's on. Oh, I'm gonna have to see what happened there, but that's coming off. I literally snapped the thing with all the wires on it, and I can't even get. What is this thing reinforced on here? I literally just clasped out a wire. That switch is destroyed. How dare I ever let that happen? Am I gonna just clasp that and fix that one? And I can get this off of here. That's what the wire looks like when it's destroyed. Dad, look.
Whoa.
This metal piece right here, which has all those technology stuff on it, that snapped before this plastic cap would come off.
It's a little circuit board.
Yeah, the circuit board snapped before this metal piece right here. The wire came off before the... Now the headset's literally apart. Now I try using my headset. I swear that's gone through. And can I even get that out now? Okay. Did I literally get the screwdriver jammed in here? I got it out.
Don't stab down into that hole there.
I didn't. That's got it so loose. I'm not getting that off. That button's not coming off. I give up on it. Maybe I'll just do one more squeeze on it. Nothing. The circuit board. I used all my energy in squeezing this thing. What? It just roughed it up. What? That hurt my fingers. I'm getting this thing out even if it's the last thing I do. This thing is coming out of this board even if it's the last thing I do. Okay, put it a little bit more. Oh, this feels good. Well, we'll see you in part 2. Yep, I'm back. I was just running low on time. I don't know if that part can get uploaded, so I'd have to break it in half. How the heck now? I can't do this. What is this thing? Concrete? That button is on there well. This is not coming off. I give up on that coming off. Well, there's like all the pieces, so it's gonna lay out all of them. Yoink. Bang! We're back. And we have part 1, that thing. This thing. This thing. That sticky thing. Chip right here like that. This. I have my board. I showed that. Broken headset. Weird wire. That. Let's end the video. Oh, end of the video today. See ya.